हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हेमाटोलॉजी का एंड ब्लड बैंकिंग का कुछ एमसीक्यू लेके आए हैं, बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 692। The immunoglobulin that is found in body secretion tears is option A IgG, option B IgA, option C IgM, option D IgD. The correct answer is IgA. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 693. Choice of anticoagulant in blood bank for the open heart surgery is option A EDTA, B double oxalate, C heparin, D citrate. The correct answer is option number C heparin. Question number 694. Suppose you are in the village health post where electricity is not available. Which method for hemoglobin estimation do you prefer? Option A Salis method, B cyanomethemoglobin method, C none of them, D both A and B. The correct answer is A Salis method. Question number 695. Malaria parasite cannot affect RBC of option A sickle cell disease, option B aplastic anemia, option C megaloblastic anemia, option D iron deficiency anemia. The correct answer is option number A sickle cell disease. Question number 696. Infective erythropoiesis occurs in option A myelodysplastic syndrome, option B megaloblastic anemia, option C leukemia, option D both A and B. The correct answer is D both A and B, megaloblastic syndrome and megaloblastic anemia, इसमें बोथ होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 697. ब्लड ग्रुपिंग एंटीजन आर फाउंड ऑप्शन ए ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ आरबीसी, ऑप्शन बी साइटोप्लाज्मिक आरबीसी, ऑप्शन सी साइटोप्लाज्मिक आरबीसी एंड डब्ल्यूसी, ऑप्शन डी ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ प्लेटलेट्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ आरबीसी. On the surface of RBC. Correct answer is A. Question number 698. In case of emergency, blank group of blood can be transfused. Option A AB positive, option B AB negative, option C O negative, option D O positive. The correct answer is option C O negative. O negative is also called universal donor. AB is a universal recipient. Question number 699. A healthy male person 80 to 60 year age group can donate blood. Option A every 2 months, option B every 3 months, option C every 4 months, option D half yearly. The correct answer is option number B every 3 months. Question number 700. Which of the following screening tests are done in blood bank? कौन सा स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट होता है ब्लड बैंक पे ना? ऑप्शन ए HIV ओनली, ऑप्शन बी हेपेटाइटिस ओनली, ऑप्शन सी HCV and VDRL, all option. The correct answer is option number D, all option. Question number 701. Demoglobinization is related to. Option A, thin smear, wet smear. Option B, thick smear. Option C, D, impression smear. The correct answer is option number C, thick smear. Question number 702. ABO grouping in the laboratory based on the principle of. Option A, agglutination, precipitation. B, C, neutralization. D, ELISA. The correct answer is option number A, agglutination. The tube used in microhematotrophs method of PCV is option A, Winthrop tube. Option B, Wester green tube. Option C, Kahan tube. Option D, capillary tube. The correct answer is option D, capillary tube. Which of the following question number 704. Which of the following saline prefer blood and shortage lifespan? Option A, RBC, lymphocyte. Option B, C, platelets. D, basophils. The correct answer is option number C, platelets. Which of the following test required terrestrial blood? Option A, calcium. Option B, lipid profile. Option C, blood gas analysis. Option D, LFT. The correct answer is option number C, blood gas analysis. Question number 706. Which is true statement regarding megaloblastic anemia? Option A, megaloblastic precursors are present in bone marrow. Option B, mean corpuscular volume is increased. Option C, serum LDH is increased. Option number D, all option. सभी होगा इसमें all option. Question number 707. To assess osmotic fragility, blood samples should be collected in. Sodium citrate. Option A. B, sodium fluoride. C, heparin. D, EDTA. The correct answer is option C, heparin. Early cell of question number 708. Early cell is option A, lymphocyte. Option B, neutrophil and monocyte. Option C, basophil. Option D, eosinophil. The correct answer is neutrophil and monocyte. चलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 709. A smear of microfilaria is made at any time of the day, afternoon time, early morning. Option D, midnight. The correct answer is option number D, midnight. Question number 7010. Question number 710. The coagulation of profile in 30-year-old girl with menorrhagia having one Willebrand disease. Option A, isolated prolonged PTT with normal PT. Option B, isolated prolonged PT with normal PTT. Option C, prolongation of both PT and PTT. Option D, prolongation of thrombin time. The correct answer is option number A, isolated prolonged PTT with normal PT. Question number 711. A 40 years old male had undergone a splenectomy 20 years ago. Peripheral blood smear examination would show the presence of Dohle bodies, hypersegmented neutrophil. Option C, spirochetes. Option D, Holy Jolly bodies. The correct answer is option number D, Holy Jolly body. Which of the following complication results after several units of blood have been transfused? Option A, metabolic alkalosis. Option B, metabolic acidosis. Option C, respiratory alkalosis. Option D, respiratory acidosis. The correct answer is option number A, metabolic alkalosis. Vitamin K dependent factors. Question number 713. Vitamin K dependent factor is. Vitamin K dependent factor is. The correct answer is option number A, 2. Deficiency of the question number 714. Deficiency of the intrinsic factor of crystal cause of. The correct answer is option number B, pernicious anemia. Option number question number 715. Russell body is found in. The correct answer is option number D, प्लाज्मा सेल. कहाँ होता है? प्लाज्मा सेल में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 716. Differential diagnosis of pancytopenia with cellular bone marrow include the following except. The correct answer is option number A, megaloblastic anemia. Question number 717. Method of hemoglobin estimation include the following except. इसमें पूछ रहा है कि कौन सा मेथड में हेमोग्लोबिन एस्टिमेशन होता है, उसमें एक्सेप्ट नहीं होता है. तो एक्सेप्ट इसमें आपका विंट्रॉब मेथड नहीं होता, सब होता है. ड्राबिन मेथड होता है, सैलिस मेथड, स्पेक्ट्रोमेट्रिक मेथड, विंट्रॉब मेथड नहीं होता. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7A18. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्मॉल size platelets and peripheral smear is characteristics of. The correct answer is option number B, Bernard's Solier syndrome. Option number B is the correct answer. Question number 713. Although more than 400 blood groups have been identified, ABO blood group term remain most important in medical world because. The correct answer is option number D, ABO antibody invariable present in plasma even when person RBC lack of corresponding antigen. Question number 720. Sickle cell trait patient do not have the lifespan at sickle cell disease because. The correct answer is option number A, 50% HbS required for occurrence of sickling. Question number 722. The peripheral blood smear of patients saw feature of thalassemia also presented with anemia and positive family history. The investigation done to establish the diagnosis is? The correct answer is option number D, HB electrophoresis. Question number 723 is not present of sideroblastic anemia. The correct answer is option number B, decreased transferring saturation. Question number 724 macrocytosis CBC can be diagnosed by. The correct answer is option number A, decreased MCB. Question number 725 gel card test for malaria based on. The correct answer is option number D, malaria enzyme Plasmodium LDH. True about iron deficiency anemia. Question number 726. The correct answer is option number D, both A and B. Macrocytic hypochromic anemia and bone marrow iron decrease earlier than serum iron. Both A and B is the correct answer. Question number 727. True about aplastic anemia. The correct answer is option number D, all option. रेटिकुलोसाइटोपेनिया, थर्मोसाइटोपेनिया, न्यूट्रोपेनिया सभी होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 728 cause of fragmentary RBC peripheral blood is. The correct answer is option number D, malignant hypertension DIC, इसमें सभी होगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 729 intravascular hemolysis seen in. The correct answer is option number A. Question number 730 in DIC which are seen? Increase PT, B increase factor 8, C decrease fibrogen, D both A and C. The correct answer is option number D, both A and C. Increase PT and decrease fibrogen. आज का जो MCQ था हेमेटोलॉजी एंड ब्लड बैंकिंग का करवाए हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में पार्ट 2 लेके आएंगे. तब तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर कर दें ताकि दूसरों को हेल्पफुल हो. थैंक्स.